Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy LIX Onyx White. In this video I'll tell you how to change skates. In the original box of your mice you can find additional skates. Right here. In case skates on your mice are worn, you can always remove them by scraping them off. And next, you can install additional ones that are included in original package. Before using the middle one, make sure to remove the middle from the skate, because otherwise it will block the sensor. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.